Today, we are going to look for objects in the classroom that might weigh about a gram, and then we're going to confirm our estimation. So yesterday, you did a lesson in which you measured an orange using linking cubes. Why would someone need to know the weight of something? Is it helpful to measure things in linking cubes? Well, the answer is truly no, because not everybody has access to linking cubes. And so it's important to have a standard weight so that when we're referring to things that weigh a certain amount, everybody has a clear understanding of what that might be. And so today we're going to focus on grams. The abbreviation for grams is just a G at the end of the number. And you probably have seen grams on things like baked goods in your house or food items. They're often weighed in grams. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do today using this virtual scale. If you're in the class or you have access to a balance scale in gram weights, you can use that physical balance scale in gram weights. But if you don't, you're going to use this manipulative, this digital scale quite a bit in this first part of our unit. You will need this recording sheet, about a gram recording sheet. And it says, predict which objects weigh about a gram. Then weigh each object to find out if your prediction was correct. So you write down an object, let's say an orange. And then you actually say if it's less than a gram, if it's about a gram, or if it's more than a gram. And you do that for quite a bit of objects. And then at the bottom, you write which objects were actually a gram. Again, if you're in the classroom, then you'll actually do this with your physical manipulatives, like your balance scale and your grams and objects in the room. But if you're not, let me show you how you will use the virtual tool. Okay, here on our virtual tool, you could just move a gram to one side of the scale. And then there's a list of different objects that you can use to measure. So you can see an apple, and then pull your 1 gram. So an apple weighs more than a gram. So you would indicate that in your recording sheet. So do this with a bunch of different objects. In order to reset it, you just press this little reset button. And since, to be totally honest, most of these objects are going to be more than a gram, I gave you some ideas of what other objects are a gram, and let me show you where that is. Here are some objects that are only about a gram, so you can use these in your recording sheet, just taking my word for it so that you have some examples of things that are a gram. So good luck deciding and estimating which objects in the classroom or which objects in your virtual space weigh a gram for today.